Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best breeding cages is probably one of the most important investments you'll make for your avian companions. Whether you're a seasoned breeder or just starting out, choosing the right cage can significantly impact the success of your breeding efforts and the overall well-being of your birds. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of breeding cages, exploring the key features and considerations to help you make the best choice for your feathered friends. Number 5. Yaheetech 41.5 Stackable Bird Cage with Rolling Stand. This cage is designed with a dividing grate, creating two separate spaces. This allows you to house multiple birds comfortably. Each section includes perches, feeders, and easy access doors. Perfect for small birds like lovebirds and parakeets, this cage provides ample space. The wire spacing is designed to keep your birds safe and secure. It's the ideal home for your feathered friends. Built with quality wrought iron and a durable coating, this cage is built to last. It's safe for your pets and can withstand their playful chewing. You can rest assured knowing it's a secure environment. The cage sits on a rolling stand with 360-degree swivel wheels for easy movement. The cage itself is detachable, offering flexibility in how you use it. It's convenient to move around your home. Cleaning is a breeze with the waterproof metal and a slide-out tray. The grate at the bottom keeps your birds clean. This design makes maintenance simple for any bird owner. What we like. This cage offers a divided breeding space, perfect for housing multiple birds separately. The detachable rolling stand makes it easy to move around, and the easy-to-clean design saves you time. If you have limited space or need to separate your birds, this cage is an excellent choice. What people say. The cage is very structurally sound and well-engineered. All the parts fit snug and the finish is very good. The divider is fantastic. Number 4. YITAHOME 62-inch metal bird cage. This bird cage features a 0.4-inch bar spacing, ensuring the safety of your birds. It has 4 small doors for easy access and feeder placement. 2 side doors also allow for interaction and cleaning. The slide-out tray and mesh grate are detachable for easy cleaning. A top handle allows for convenient portability, making it easy to move or hang during travel. This cage comes with a long bridge, 3 pendants, and 3 perches. These accessories create a comfortable and engaging environment for your pets, making it a sweet home for them. With dimensions of 17 by 14 by 62 inches, it's perfect for 2 to 3 birds. It can easily accommodate budgerigars, parakeets, parrots, cockatiels, and lovebirds. Equipped with 4 360-degree swivel wheels, it's easy to relocate the cage quickly and safely. A spacious storage rack on wheels provides ample space for pet supplies. What we like. This cage features multiple access doors for easy interaction and cleaning, and comes with accessories to keep your birds entertained. The rolling stand makes it easy to move around. If you are looking for a cage that provides both convenience and enrichment for your birds, this is a great option. What people say. The cages are well designed and provide ample space for the birds. The construction is sturdy, ensuring the safety of the birds. The cages are easy to clean and maintain. Number 3. Breeder Bird Flight Double Rolling Cage. This cage is constructed of quality wrought iron with a non-toxic hammered paint coating, ensuring the safety of your birds. It's built to last, providing a secure and comfortable home for your feathered friends. The cage measures 38 inches long, 18 inches wide, and 42 inches high. It provides ample space for your birds to move around and breed comfortably. This center-divided breeding cage features 2 front swivel-out doors with a safety lock set. It also includes side breeding nest doors for easy access. With 1 2-inch bar spacing, this cage is perfect for small birds such as canaries, finches, and budgies. It provides a safe and secure environment for them. The cage comes with 4 feeder doors, feeder cups, and wooden stand perches. It also has a detachable rolling stand with a storage shelf for food and toys. It features a pull-out grate to prevent birds from walking in their excrement. The bottom slide-out tray makes cleaning simple and convenient. The cage includes 4 heavy-duty, easy-moving casters. This allows you to move it around your home with ease. What we like. This cage is built with durable metal and features a center-divided design for breeding. It also includes a pull-out tray for easy cleaning. If you are a breeder looking for a sturdy and practical cage, this one is designed for you. What people say. The cages are well designed and easy to assemble. The cages are spacious enough for the birds to move around comfortably. The cages have a good ventilation system. Number 2. Breeding Bird Cage 24x16x16H, lot of 6. Introducing a set of 6 breeding bird cages. They are perfect for your finches, parakeets, and other small birds. This is a great way to provide a comfortable home for your birds. Each cage provides ample space for your birds to move around. The dimensions are 24 inches long, 16 inches wide, and 16 inches high. It's a comfortable environment for them. The bar spacing is carefully designed at 3/8 inch to keep your birds safe. It prevents them from escaping while still allowing for proper ventilation and light. The cages feature a large lift-up front door for easy access. They also include feeder doors, making it simple to provide food and water for the birds. Each cage comes with clear feeder cups and natural wooden perches. These accessories make it easy to feed and provide a comfortable resting place for the birds. Cleaning is a breeze with a raised bottom grate and slide-out tray. This design helps to keep the cage clean and maintain a healthy environment for the birds. The cages are finished with a bird-safe epoxy coating. This ensures the safety of your birds while providing a durable and long-lasting finish. What we like. This product offers a lot of 6 cages, ideal for multiple breeding pairs. It features easy cleaning with a raised bottom grate and slide-out tray. If you are a serious breeder with multiple birds, this set provides great value and convenience. What people say. Easy to put together. I use these for my canaries and finches. They work just great for my needs. Each of the cages come with 2 perches and decent feeding trays. Number 1. Breeding Bird Carrier Cage 30 by 18 by 18 for Parakeet. This is a set of 4 breeding bird carrier cages. It's designed to provide a safe and comfortable environment for your birds. They are perfect for parakeets, canaries, finches, and lovebirds. Each cage features a central divider. This allows you to separate the cage into 2 individual spaces. You can also remove it to create one larger cage for your birds. The cages come with a sliding mesh grate and tray. This makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze. You can easily remove them for cleaning. The dimensions of each cage are W30x D18x H18 inches. It provides ample space for your birds to move around. It's a great choice for breeding. The bar space is 1/2 inch. This design ensures the safety of your birds. It's suitable for parakeets, canaries, finches, and lovebirds. What we like. This product offers a lot of 4 cages with a central divider, allowing you to create either separate or combined spaces as needed. It also features a sliding grate and tray for easy cleaning. If you like flexibility in your setup, this cage is a great choice. What people say. The cages are spacious. You can put about 6 Gouldian finches inside without crowding them. But if you're going to breed them, then it would be perfect for just a pair. This assembles sufficiently tightly that for the intended species, small cage birds, you should not need any zip ties. The cages are well designed. And they work well for breeding Gouldians. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.